using Pythagorean Theorem to find distances. Alright, so copy down a rough drawing of this picture right here, and then write down the problem. Spider-Man thinks he can scale this building faster than a firefighter can climb the ladder. How many more meters will the firefighter have to climb than Spider-Man? First thing that I want to talk about is the fact that this is a right triangle. So, it says how many more meters will the firefighter have to climb? Well, the firefighter is going to go up this way. How do you know that that's a longer distance than the height of the building? Well, in a right triangle, the hypotenuse is going to be the longest side length. So the firefighter, yes, will be climbing more meters than Spider-Man. So we need to find out what is the height that Spider-Man will be climbing. So we can use the Pythagorean Theorem to do that. So according to the Pythagorean Theorem, which says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and again, what that really means is the area of the square built with a side length of 5 plus the area of a square built with a side length of h, or b, will be equivalent to, so those two combined will be equivalent to the area of a square with a side length of 10. So let's just plug in some values. Let's call this a. So we're going to say 5 squared plus b squared. We don't know what b squared is. Well, we could call it h squared. Equals 10 squared. So 25 plus b squared equals 100. Now we have to subtract 25 from both sides. So b squared is 75. Now to find the value of b, we have to take the square root. So really what we're doing is to get b, we have to take the square root. That undoes squaring something. So b is, excuse me, is the square root of 75, which we can estimate. So we know that it's going to be probably between the square root of 64 and the square root of 81. Let's see, it is, what's that, 6 spaces here and 11 spaces here. So this is 9, so it's going to be between 8 and 9. So it's probably closer to 9, so I'm going to guess around 8.6. Oh my goodness, the square root of 75 is about 8.66 meters. So Spider-Man will have to climb 8.66 meters. And how many more meters will the firefighter have to go? Well, if the firefighter has to go 10, so we're going to subtract that out. And we're going to say that the firefighter has to go around 1 33 hundredths meters. And that's it. Pythagorean Theorem. Just plug in your values and solve.